Hey everybody, it's Julia, and today I'm going to show you how to use the DIY Pom Pom Kit. So this is my first time ever making one, so you can see how easy it is. And we'll take out what's inside and kind of go over everything, and then I'll make one for you. Alright, so here are the contents. You have two different faux fur outsides, two kind of, I don't really know what texture these are. I don't know, but those are the inside. And then you have this here. You have the thread, the needles, and these buttons. So these buttons make it so you can easily attach and detach from a hat if you put it on that or wherever you want to put it. And then we also have the instruction booklet. All right. So the first thing, step one, says to insert thread through the eye of the needle, sew a running stitch along the edge of the fur fabric, and gather the edges. So then we're going to thread this. All right, and then tie a knot at the base of these threads. I usually like to tie a double knot just to be safe. You can trim the excess thread off. All right, so sewing a running stitch. So that means we'll go in and then come back out, in and out, and out, and then you can, once you've done a few, you can then pull it. And you're going to keep doing this all around the edges. And as you're going around here, you can start to gather it a little bit by pulling it, but just not too much because you want to make sure we can get the white sphere in there. All right, so when we get back to the beginning, start to pull it a little more, put the white sphere in there. You want to make sure it gets under the lip of the faux fur. And you just kind of want to keep pulling it and making sure that stays in there. So you want to make sure you get a good hold of this because it slips easily. And then you're going to want to kind of make a knot going back to the other side and then kind of coming across here. We can do that a few different times just to make sure it is secured. Use, if you have a thimble, that may help too. So now we are going to sew 1/2 of the snap to this bottom here. So let's do this one. So we can come up through one of these, and we are going to do the same thing here. We're going to go in one hole and kind of come out the side. And then insert into the next one. Come out the side as well. Insert into the next one. You're going to keep doing that until you make your way all the way around this button. Once you get back to the beginning, you can tie a knot. And trim the excess thread. And then if you want, you can kind of go back here and take out some of the fur that got caught in that thread. So then you're going to take this and sew it onto whatever item you want to put it on. So I think this would look really cute on the top of a hat or anything like that. But you'll sew this on and then you can place it on like a button, and then you've made a faux fur pom-pom.